The results that I got from the LiveFit trainer were incredible. I lost 13 pounds and 9% body fat.
What I first started to notice was some definition in my arms, which I never ever thought I would see.
I was very nervous walking into any gym. It's kind of scary, there's people picking up heavy stuff and grunting, and kind of seemed like a man's world at the time. This program absolutely helped me to, gain the confidence to walk in there and pick up some weights.
Before, I think I was 140, and then towards the end of the trainer, I was about 132, but you could visibly see the results.
Hi, I'm Eason, and welcome to my 12-week trainer. I'm excited to say I have teamed up with Bodybuilding.com to offer you for the first time a comprehensive program using my own personal approach and philosophies for fitness and nutrition.
Going through her program, if anything, I just got a little bit leaner, and I put on a little bit of muscle, in my legs, glutes, delts, my midsection, but I never got bulky, and that was one of my fears, and it never happened. I can absolutely attest to that.
I was really heavy on cardio, and I thought that would benefit me, but once I started doing it, I noticed that you really get muscle tone when you actually incorporate weights into your routine.
The first thing that jumped out to me was do no cardio.
You heard me right, no cardio, free pass. Training-wise, the first 4 weeks are totally focused exclusively on weight training for muscle growth.
I still hear it all the time. I'll hear it from friends or family members, and they'll say, don't get too bulky. And I can tell you now, I've never once bulked up.
I do think that sometimes women do see these pictures of women who have different goals and different fitness paths, and they think that every path leads to that.
In midlife, I was starting to have some health issues that most people my age are having, and weightlifting seems to be the answer to avoiding all that stuff. So I am really glad that I've gotten back into weightlifting at this point in my life.
You could tell she really cares about the program she put together.
Welcome to phase 1 of your 12-week trainer. During this phase, you'll make a habit of working out and eating healthy. This might be the most difficult week for some of you, since I'll be asking you to make a few big changes right off the bat, but be patient with yourself and trust in the program.
The first couple of weeks, I was intimidated, I was a little bit scared, but she lays it out very clearly.
She has a day-by-day plan for 12 weeks.
When you get your exercise list for the day, each exercise comes with a sample video so you can see what the form should be like, the angle of the bench, or all kinds of things.
Nutrition's very important. She makes that very clear. She gives you direct recipes, videos on how to make it. She even gives you grocery lists if it's something you like.
As you get into the later, more difficult phases, you're ready because you've actually you've been building up for that.
I hope things are going smoothly and that you're happy with your progress. You've got 2 months of consistent hard work under your belt, which is hopefully feeling a bit looser these days.
This trainer seems to me to be for everyone. My daughter, who hadn't spent a lot of time in the gym, it was suitable for her. For me, getting back to the gym after being away for 20 years, it was perfect for me.
That classic quote, trust the process. I mean, you really have to. If you follow this program to a T, you'll get the results.
I guess if I could suggest anything to anyone doing the program, I would say see it through.
I didn't realize how easy it is to get yourself in shape. As long as you put the effort in, you put in the time, you're gonna see results.
The beauty of this program was that it was like having a coach. And having a fitness coach like that can be hundreds of dollars a month. So $8.99 for the All Access program is certainly a good value.
Is it worth it? Yeah, we're talking $8.99. You can't put a price tag on your dreams, on your goals, on your health, and on that access.
It was funny because my gym, at the start, they tried to sell me on personal training, and by the end of the LiveFit trainer, they wanted me to be a personal trainer.
Ever since I completed it, I have had so many people stop me and ask me what I'm doing and how I've gotten results. And I'm like, I did the LiveFit trainer. Yeah, but how did you get these results? And I'm like, I did the Eason 12-week LiveFit trainer. That's how I got the results.